let's start off the day for my 21st. Yes, sir, your boy is 21 now. There ain't nothing much more I could do, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, it's your boy birthday today. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Shit, on top of that, now that I'm 21, I have to go to the DMV. I already bought my new license, but I gotta go over there and get a temporary ID because for my work, I gotta have a license, and right now, I don't. So that's why I gotta go to the DMV. I'll see y'all when I get over there. Alright, we finished up at the DMV. I realized I already had paid the renewal, and they already had sent me a paper for the temporary thing, so I low-key came here for no reason. But it's good though. Now I guess I'm driving POV, bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how it's like driving the Prelude on some bumpy ass roads. Yes, sir.
Run that back turbo.
We get some VTEC clips. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah, I lost traction there for a second. That shit was kind of scary. Alright, y'all, so basically all I needed was this freaking paper to work, bruh. Alright, now about to go pick up my girlfriend from work. Bruno, look. Why you oil farming? Bruno, who's that? Who's that, Bruno? Look.
Hi, Bruno. Hi, baby. Okay, get inside.
Marco.
This guy.
Do I
7 26.
Better that way.
Oh, Lalo. We're about to do a taste review. Yo, this low light is kind of crazy.
Just
Yeah.
turned 21. We got a Lalo's here.
Smell like tequila. 25, huh?
37.
What the?
Wait, are you still on
No.
Ew.
No.
Ew.
We got Chase, y'all.
We about to game it. We about to game it.
I'm saying.
$1,000 dinner, you still mad at me? That's when I knew she different, I can't buy her love. She out there driving in the rain, crying in the range, drinking till she can't, dancing all nightclub. Like to drink to get drunk, I smoke so I ain't crash. She saying she ain't eat all day, so she craves. I done seen her all night without a penny. Shit, I know the
Ew, your face is so ugly.
Oh yeah, we're fucking. Wait, I feel the wind. What? Hey. We debating on alcohol, bruh.
Oh, it's right here. Like,
Yeah, Zarsky.
Yeah,
We got
Zarsky.
the bowling bag.
got your bowling shoes in there too?
Of course, man. Of course. How much we scoring tonight, Caleb? How much we scoring?
What's the maximum?
Hey, James, how much we scoring tonight, bro?
I don't even know, bro.
How much we scoring?
Ah,
Bro. Bro, if y'all don't know, bro, this fool is the sniper, bro. He the sniper, bro. JT, well, how much we scoring?
Bro, you know I'm always going above 100.
Oh, above 100.
Bob, we might have a tangle here on 18th there. Right there, Bob.
And what we getting, Caleb? In the strike. No. My tripping, bro. What 64 plus 3? We out here in the wild. Oh boy, just brought a golf club, bro. In the wild, it's crazy. Nah, it's gonna hit the house right there. Damn, what the fuck? I didn't even see the ball drop. So, we out here in the wilderness. Oh, it's muddy. Wait, we're kind of cooked. Yeah, she out here in a blanket in the wilderness. Whoa, wait, hold on. Wait, chill, bro. I just got these shoes. Oh, no, not the shoes. Wait. No, my pants. My shoes are all dirty.
Girl, I ain't trippin', I know that we ain't compatible. Sucking on my lips, charm, bruising like you a cannibal. Fucking in the forest, I feel like I am an animal. In the middle of nowhere, I'm pulling on her hair. Take me to the top of the hill, wanna make out with you. Tell me how you really feel, wanna get it with you. Feeling like my life ain't real when I get it with you. Fucking, I'ma take these pills, cause I can get it with you.
Yo, this shit was crazy, bro. We really out here for real. This the behind the scenes. We're at it. You gotta do it to the camera too, Caleb.
All your peace, every winter, every summer, every
Oh, you forgot your...
I don't think we're in the frame. I don't think we're in the frame. Find it. I'm sorry, shut
You were just taking a look at Australia.
I think it's weird. Wait, is it?
No. Happy New Year! Come on, Jack. Nana, look at you.
Oh!
Look at you. Thinking of bars.
Bars, yeah?
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't know, kid, you fucking retarded.
Good boy.
Fuck you. Spit this shit on good boy.
Well, I got another one.
Hey, boy.
I got another one.
Oh, that's for you, yeah.
No, go to him.
Whoa, what the fuck? Hey, put that blue hat on, you look like Squidward, huh? I'm gonna hit you in the chest like SpongeBob.
Oh!
We gonna run him over. I just bought a Jag. Bitch, I'm not pulling over. For these damn ops, you can kiss my ass.
Pull up with a 50, it's a drum mag. It's a drum mag. It's a drum mag. Pull up on this bitch, I got a drum mag. Automatic switches in this bitch, you got a touch mag. Okay, I'm done.
About to start the new year, new vlog already, bruh. Alright, new year, new vlog. We gotta start this thing up again. Those are about the prelude here. Alright, let's get up in this thing, man. Oh, we dirty. It's alright. Start this thing up. Starts up pretty weak, bruh. I ain't gonna lie. We got the air on. Oh, my belt started squeaking, bruh. It's not good. Hey, parked up. First vlog of 26 or what? In the first vlog of the big 26? Yeah. Hell nah.
Is you lying? All that cap, that's them broke ways. Tryna manifest, they go.
Oh, wait, yes, sir. Oh, messing with it. Had to put them home, bro. Hey, James, what score we getting, bro? Hey, JT, what we getting? What we getting?
200.
Oh, 200, 200. All right, babe, what score we getting?
I'm gonna aim for like at least a little bit over 100. I think I can do it.
Over 100, okay.
Yeah.
How about you? How about you, cousin?
I want to get at least like 6 or 7.
Oh, hell no. Killer, what we getting? What we getting? What's high? No, what score? What score? 200. Oh, 200. Yes, sir. We at Dick with all of my dicks. Yes, sir.
The lighting is okay bad.
No, it's not. It really looks
Okay.
fine. How about the hedge grog?
I want this one or this.
I want this one. The hedge grog.
The brown one?
Yeah. Alright. But it comes in another bag, bro. I thought it was gonna be there.
Wait, don't look at the card because it shows you which one you have. Don't look at the card. Don't look at the
I already saw it.
Yeah. Oh, you do actually?
Yeah. Fuck. I got the fucking.
What if I get the brown?
You're too straight.
Wait, did I get the one I wanted? No. I got greedy griner.
I got. Who the hell is this? You got one tooth. I got Mr. Needles, bruh. Look at this fool, ugly ass.
It looks.
Well, I thought I could put this on the keychain. I can't.
This one kind of looks like Nova. My dog. Or my mom's dog.
I can't put it on the keychain. Damn! Damn! Oh, I got it, baby.
Nice. Good shot.
Damn! Hit the fucking green.
Oh my god.
First take.
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Ready? Everyone get one?
You guys sneak, guys.
We're gonna try it.
It's kind of like meaty. Damn.
Damn. Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Think it? We're gonna cheers?
Yup. Hell yeah. It just tastes like chicken breast. If y'all made it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. This year, I'm definitely going to try to upload some more. We have little projects going on. I got my girlfriend's car with the head gasket, and then we'll see. Maybe my little brother, he has the TSX. I don't know if y'all remember. He has the TSX, but he's thinking of getting the EK Coupe with a B16, so we'll see. So we'll have some more projects going on. The Prelude, there's a lot of things that I need to fix with that car, but it's cool so far. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Yee!